have to stop and look at this. Look at the lower right. Watch that. Did you see that? That entire building just obliterated. So this is Cecil, Ohio. We had places like Cecil and Defiance, Ohio get hit really hard. Earlier in the evening, it was Kokomo, Indiana. We had Kokomo, Indiana, a lot of smaller towns that got hit very hard. Take a look at all these images that were caught, guys. We had semis blown over, completely blown over on the interstates. A lot of damage. Thankfully, though, this is the most important thing. The injuries that we've heard about were minor. That was a Starbucks. Was a Starbucks. Minor injuries, and that's it so far. It's incredible. Obviously, Starbucks damaged, obliterated, neighborhood, a lot of farmland that was torn up, but this following for, don't ever think to yourself, because sometimes Mother Nature curveball, and we sure saw that in Indiana and Ohio. I want to show you the radar recap because the risks were not looking that high earlier on Wednesday, and it escalated. Look at all, boy, they're going to be verifying this storm along with cleanup.
As the first reported tornado steamrolled through central Indiana late today, diners took cover. Some had nowhere to go and no time to run.
Oh my God, Starbucks just got blown over. There's people in there.
Witnesses say a large, menacing twister ripped apart this coffee shop in seconds. You can see as the walls and roof of this Starbucks come crashing down, with some trapped inside. Help arrived quickly.
Me and 2 or 3 other guys managed to get the door hinges off and pop the doors out and get everybody out.
The fast-moving storm flew across the Midwest and Plains close to 3 p.m. Several counties in the bullseye. Roofs, trees, and power lines sheared along the path of destruction. Joe and Hope Gardner are lucky to be alive. Their house spared.
Oh my gosh, a mess. Oh.
Disaster everywhere. I'm just thankful my kids weren't here.
This week, twisters have shown little mercy, rumbling across at least 3 states. Tonight, Indiana's governor is headed back to the storm zone, asking the country to pray for the Hoosier state.